subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una run now go subscribe. And if you don't subscribe, don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that as message they come, you just the hear and like alert, bang 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 bang, you go they drop. This will not be them say, oh, this one I hear for yourself and see for yourself. Now we they do for this our news channel, and make sure to they share our video as you know they watch and make una they share so that people go they know what they sub for this our entertainment industry. My people, on today's news we want to talk about this cookathon, zigathon, massager carton, all the carton where I feel remember for Guinness World of Record though, not be smart enough they go on since this Ondo State girl where don't finish. She just concluded that 150 hours of cookathon yesterday, and it was a bomb. People come out come support her. She clocked that 150, but now the Guinness World of Record certificate still there with Idabasi. When I feel say this girl now fit take that paper from Idabasi, when I just say she not break any rules or any regulation, we never know. Moving on to another one. This one that they call Tosi come and say in one sick for 200 hours. I should say that one still they go on right now. And another one where it's up, where it shocked us recently. Now this girl they call Joyce, where she they do massage for people. She said she want to do massage for people for 72 hours. And the last person where you break that record, break am for 25 hours and some minutes. This girl don't do reach 50 hours and some minutes. Now she take 4 collapse. So me, waiting me I want talk be say. They do this kind of thing. Person do 25 hours at least like if now 5 you'll do for 30 hours, or if now 35 at least you use 10 hours per person. You can't say now 72 hours. She not shall reach the 72, she can't stop for 50. We don't know whether Guinness World of Record will give her that title because we never even hear from her. I'm sure she's still under medication. My own be say why people they stress themselves for this thing. Money day, because if money they want to tell me, because me myself I could like to might just they talk for like 500 hours because I not get not be just certificate. People can say hey this guy you come popular, not be that one. Is there any other thing involved that I'm not knowing? I be people, public people make una like TV, because this matter that you don't get as a day. Everybody want to do another one now come out for a kid say you want to do kissathon. That one now the governor of that state don't talk say if anybody try that kind of sense they go arrest them. I don't understand. Anything where enter Nigeria, na so it be. Na so it be. I see that na it that matter na I no say that Guinness World of Record even they exist. If that don't bring a con Nigeria, everybody want turn out to another thing for this country. Anyway, my people, I will play on the various video of what I just talk, the cookathon, the singathon, and the massageathon. That's why I will talk and read. My people wanna watch the video till the end. My people, this is the chef where come from Ondo State. This one now before she eats the 150 hours because we know say she don't hit that 150 hours and she they expect Guinness World of Record to come give her a certificate. Well, congratulations to her in advance. Now so my people, this one are the man where sing say he wants sing for 200 hours. This man don't they sing, they call different type of music. Now this man don't they sing. If they watch this thing, you go see say the time they count. See water around that. If you don't get where go reach break time, go drink water. He continue singing. We must break record though. Now be this one so my people. Shabe voice not crack. Now that one me I day after. After this man don't sing finish, we want enter this girl so where they massage people. This girl don't massage so say she collapse after 50 hours and some minutes. Now this getting collapse. So this video now before she collapsed, now be this one. So my people, open I don't watch the video. Make that say every time they talk about true people they do extra for this Guinness World of Record. They go extra mile to do 1 or 2 things. Well, I don't know their benefits, I don't know their gain, but they wish them well. But that not me say we're not going to use ourselves for the matter. Now this one will bring call for our entertainment news. Make una do well to drop una comment for comment section. And my own at top. Maybe another thing see they involved. May I don't know. Make una put Una own comment for comment section, make una share. Until we meet again for another entertainment news, make una stay safe. Una done.